Everybody, my name's Chris from Kitchen Warehouse, one of the directors here and also a chef. Today we are going to make a traditional Bolognese, Italian Bolognese sauce. We'll go through it step by step. Interestingly, these ingredients here, when this dish was first made, was without the meat. So the sauce was actually served with pasta on its own. And it was only when it was taken out of the country that the Italians added the meat to fill the needs of traditionally the Americans, where it was introduced. So we're going to go through this step by step. There's a few different ingredients here to what you may typically use at home, but I think you'll enjoy it. So we've got a nice warm pan there. We're going to put in butter and olive oil. Now into that we're going to add our ingredients, some finely chopped onions, finely chopped carrots, a couple of stalks of chopped celery, and a clove of garlic. We're just going to cook this down a little bit without any colour. This just takes a couple of minutes. Okay, this has been cooking for a minute or two now, so we're going to add in our chopped pancetta, a couple of bay leaves. It's really smelling nice now, this. Just a couple of pinches nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Okay, we're going to add in our meat now. The beautiful homemade pork mince and the homemade beef mince. Handy little tip: if you find your mince is sticking together a little bit, you can always use a whisk just to separate it. But this is pretty good at the moment. This is starting to smell really good now. Just about ready for our final ingredients. Nice flat parsley, some beautiful chopped cherry tomatoes, a couple of glasses of wine, some homemade chicken stock that we have made from the carcass of our deboned chicken, some beautiful ocean salt, a little bit for good luck, and just something that I like to add is some nice balsamic vinegar that I picked up last year from Italy. So this is going to cook down now for 1.5 to 2 hours, and if it starts to get a little bit dry, we might add a little bit more stock or a little bit more water. Okay, now we've come back to our Bolognese. It's been cooking for about 1.5 hours. It's looking really nice. Moisture's just about evaporated away there. We'll take the bay leaves out before we serve.